A little Greek oregano. Maybe that's a little bigger. Alrighty then. So what we did here was saute down some red bells, drop the sausage in. This is the combination of the, I wasn't sure, it was the andouille and the ghost pepper. I wasn't sure what was coming out. So we made some patties, stuck them down into the pan with the peppers. As you can see, if you can see here, the juice that's down in, that's a combination. We started out with a little cooking oil. Then we had some grease come out of the sausage itself, but also we had the ghost pepper cheese start melting, and that's in the drippings down there also. So don't know if we can get a picture of that, but that's some yummy drippings in the bottom. Let's go ahead and fix this a little plate. So I'm going to eat the sausage, and people frown on, oh, that's not good for you. I just try to mix it with something that is good for you, like the bell peppers, and I got a wonderful, delicious plate of food.